Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Marvel intro in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application and begin a new project. Import all the video clips and images you plan to use for your intro. Make sure to adjust your project settings to ensure the best possible quality for your final export. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing process and a professional-looking result. Next, let's enhance your intro with some powerful visual effects. Apply dynamic effects to individual clips to give them that iconic Marvel feel. Remember to use keyframes to create smooth and precise animations, making elements move exactly as you envision. Incorporate cinematic transitions between your scenes to maintain a seamless flow and build excitement for your audience. Now, it's time to focus on text and sound design, which are vital for a compelling Marvel intro. Add stylized text using custom fonts that match the aesthetic. Carefully synchronize sound effects with your visual elements to amplify their impact. Finally, integrate epic background music that builds tension and excitement, ensuring your intro has a powerful auditory punch. For the final steps, let's refine your intro and prepare it for export. Review the entire sequence to ensure perfect timing and flow. Adjust the color grading to achieve that signature cinematic look, making your visuals pop. Once everything is polished, export your finished video in high resolution, ready to impress your viewers with your amazing Marvel-style creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.